Erythrolamprus ornatus, also known as the St. Lucia racer or ornate ground snake, is a non-venomous snake native to St. Lucia that is considered the rarest snake in the world. It was thought to be extinct until a small population was rediscovered on the Maria Major Islet, which is now a protected nature reserve. The species is critically endangered due to invasive predators like the mongoose, which wiped out the mainland population. Characteristics: appearance. Adults can reach up to 123.5 centimeters, 48.6 in length. Their coloration is variable, with some having a broad brown stripe down the back, while others have a brown stripe broken by yellow spots. They have a light brown to olive body, yellowish undersides, a black band behind the eyes, and a pointed snout with yellow streaks. Habitat: the snake prefers forest and shrubland habitats, from sea level up to 950 meters, 3,120 feet. Behavior: it is a non-venomous snake. Conservation status and efforts. Rarity: the St. Lucia racer is the rarest snake in the world, with fewer than 50 mature individuals estimated to be on Maria Major. Threats: the primary threat is the introduction of invasive species, such as the Indian mongoose, which has eliminated this snake from the mainland. Conservation: the Maria Islands have been declared a nature reserve to protect the remaining population. Conservationists are working to establish a captive breeding program to create a second population on the mainland. Efforts are underway to develop husbandry protocols for the species by studying an analog species, the Anguilla racer.